to be, just close the files in your mind for just a moment and just settle in. And all we're going to do now is focus on just a relaxation response, just finding a sense of calm. Take a nice deep breath in, just like you know how. Feel that tension at the top, and then just let it go. And just pause. Take another deep breath in. Feel that tension at the top and enjoy the exhale. There's nowhere to go and nowhere to be, so just be here now. Take one more deep breath in. And just let it go. And just pause. At this point, for the next 60 seconds, just focus on your breathing. With each exhale, you become just a bit more relaxed. Just appreciate the space you've created, and just follow one breath at a time. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it right back, one breath at a time. All right, take a nice deep breath in. Let it go. At the bottom, just open your eyes and come on back.